Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I briefly want to discuss when asset management begins for a multifamily property. You might think that asset management begins after closing and property takeover. However, it actually begins before you submit a letter of intent or LOI. Why? Because before you submit an LOI, you need to develop your business plan tailored for that specific property. A business plan lays out exactly how you plan to operate the property. It details what interior and exterior renovations will take place, what amenities you will add, what rent premiums you plan to achieve, what operational efficiencies you will target, and much more. A business plan is the strategic vision for the property. Your property manager will then develop operational and tactical level plans to carry out your strategic vision, which will ultimately determine the outcome of the asset. Therefore, it is critical that you review your business plan with your property manager before submitting an LOI. This ensures that they agree with the plan and the plan fits the specific submarket before you tie up a property and potentially have your capital at risk. Not engaging with your property manager before submitting an LOI could be the death of you. If your property manager is a yes man or woman and agreeing with everything you say, you need to find another property manager. Your discussions with your property manager need to be bi-directional, not unidirectional. To summarize, as a general partner, asset management begins prior to submitting an LOI with a thorough business plan review with your property manager. And as a limited partner, an excellent question to ask your sponsorship team is when they brought their property management team on board during the acquisition process. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.